Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to start a new chapter which is Universe a Great Wonder. Okay, so this chapter is explaining about the total universe including with our earth. Okay, what is this? Can you see? Yeah, it's the night view of a sky, isn't it? Okay, what can you see in this picture? We can see a moon in the sky and a lot of stars. So, this is a night view of a sky. Okay, രാത്രിയിൽ കാണുന്ന ഒരു ദൃശ്യമാണിത്. So, what is the condition of the sky in daytime? Yeah, we can see sun there in the daytime in the sky. Is it? Okay. Are there only the sun, the moon and the stars in the sky? ആകാശത്തിൽ സണ്ണും മൂണും സ്റ്റാർസും മാത്രമാണ് ഉള്ളത്. Okay, let's discuss about it. So, our chapter takes you these wonders. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Our chapter is going to study about the universe. We know that we are living on Earth. So, we have to study about Earth and others in the sky. So, solar system is the family in which the Earth is a member. So, our Earth is a member in solar system. So, our chapter begins the concept of solar system. Can you see this picture? What did you get from this picture? Yeah, we can see in this picture a sun and other some rounded shaped things. Okay, so this is the picture of total solar system of the universe. Okay, can you see the celestial bodies that revolve around the sun? What is that? Do you know? Okay, these are called as planets. Let's talk about it. Okay, so can you name any celestial bodies from this picture? Do you know? Which are the planets you see? Yeah, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. I repeat, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So all these planets revolves around the sun. So we can say that sun is the center of universe. All planets are revolves around the sun with a path. So the path of a planet around the sun is called orbit. So our earth also a planet. You can see that. Then earth is a unique planet among the all planets. So which contain land, water and all things. And every planet has its own satellite. Then the moon is the satellite of our earth. Earth is a planet like in the universe and we are living on earth. നമ്മുടെ എർത്തും സൂര്യന് ചുറ്റും വലയം വെക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്ലാനറ്റാണ് അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ എർത്തിൻ്റെ ഉപഗ്രഹം സാറ്റലൈറ്റാണ് മൂൺ. ഒരേ ഒരു ഉപഗ്രഹമേ എർത്തിനുള്ളൂ, അതേതാണ്? മൂണാണ്. ഓക്കെ, so we are discussing about the universe. Then I told you the sun is the center of universe and we learned about the planets around the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So Earth is the unique planet among these. Okay, so we are living on Earth. Then moon considered as the satellite of natural satellite of Earth. Then what is orbit? We have told that. What is that? Yeah, the path of a planet around the sun is called orbit. Okay. So we have a wonderful universe with so many stars. And I saying you, sun is a star. Sun എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു നക്ഷത്രമാണ്. Okay. Then all planets are revolving around the sun. Do you know our Earth takes 365 days to around the sun, to revolve the sun. സണ്ണ് വലയം ചുറ്റാൻ നമ്മുടെ ഭൂമി എടുക്കുന്നത്, ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം ചുറ്റാൻ എടുക്കുന്നത് 365 ദിവസമാണ്. ഓക്കെ. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് കൺസിഡേർഡ് ആസ് ആൻ ഇയർ. ഓക്കെ, all of you understand? Do you know him? Anybody see? Yeah, this is the picture of Copernicus, the famous scientist, philosopher. Okay, he discovered that the sun is the center of universe. Copernicus discovered the sun is the center of universe. In ancient time, the people believed that our earth is the center of universe. പുരാതന കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ മനുഷ്യർ ചിന്തിച്ചിരുന്നത് ഭൂമിയാണ് പ്രപഞ്ചത്തിൻ്റെ സെൻറ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ബട്ട് ത്രൂ ഔട്ട് ദി മെനി എക്സ്പെരിമെൻറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഡിസ്കവറീസ് ഹീ റീബിൽഡ് ദ സൺ ഈസ് ദി സെൻറ്റർ ഓഫ് യൂണിവേഴ്സ്. കോപ്പർനിക്കസ് ആണ് പ്രപഞ്ചത്തിൻ്റെ സെൻറ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സണ്ണാണ് എന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചത്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ലെറ്റ്സ് ടോക്ക് അബൌട്ട് ദി സോളാർ സിസ്റ്റം, about the major planets in the solar system. Okay, all of you listen. First we have the planet Mercury. Then let's take a discussion about the Mercury. All of you listen. We can say that Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It's the smallest one and it has no satellites. Mercury ക്ക് എന്തില്ല, സാറ്റലൈറ്റ്സുകളില്ല, ഉപഗ്രഹം ഇല്ല. Then is the smallest one. Then next planet is Venus. Venus considered as the brightest planet. Okay, and it also hottest planet. Brightest and hottest planet is absolutely Venus and it has no satellite too. Venusനും മെർക്കുറിക്കും എന്തില്ല, സാറ്റലൈറ്റ് ഇല്ല. Okay, next we have the sun. Sun, we know that sun is a star, I told you. Then sun considered as the center of universe, center of solar system. Okay, all planets are revolving around the sun. So the sun is one only star in the solar system. Okay, then we have our planet, it is Earth, Bhumi. Okay, we know that our Earth is in blue color when viewed from space. So because our Earth consisting of majority of water, so our Earth is viewed at space from in blue color. Okay, then we know that Earth is the only planet where life is found to exist. Then in the earth we are living here, the humans, the animals, the birds, all things are living here. Okay, so earth considered as an unique planet. We have water, we have air, so many gases are here like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, we have all gases here. So earth considered as an unique planet. Then trees are here. And also we have one satellite. It's a natural satellite. It is moon. Chandranana nammade upagraham. Okay, these are the features of planet Earth. Then we have another planet. It's Mars. Okay, so we can say that Mars has 2 satellites. Then in the ancient time, in the Mars, they discussed the traces of water. water flow. Okay, traces of water flow in ancient time discovered in Mars. വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ അംശം മാർസിൽ ആദ്യം പണ്ടകാലം മുതലേ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്നാണ് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നത്. So these are the some features of Mars. Mars has 2 satellites and the traces of water flow in ancient time discovered. Okay. Okay, then we have the next planet, Neptune. Okay, Neptune has more than dozen satellites. Then it can revolve around the sun in 164 years. Okay, 164 years to revolve around the sun for the Neptune. And the next one is Uranus. Uranus has 25 satellites and above. And Uranus takes 84 years to revolve around the sun. 84 വർഷം എടുക്കും എന്ത് സൂര്യനെ യുറാനസ് ചുറ്റാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. Okay, then next we have the next planet, Saturn. Saturn has the most featured one because it can rings around itself. Okay, then Saturn has more than 30 satellites. Saturn can rings around itself and it has about 30 satellites. Then the last one is Jupiter. As the names, Jupiter considered as the biggest planet in solar system. Got it? And Jupiter has more than 60 satellites and it takes 12 years to revolve around the sun. 12 വർഷമാണ് സൂര്യനെ ചുറ്റാൻ ജൂപ്പിറ്റർ എടുക്കുന്ന സമയം. So we discuss about the all planets and sun in the solar system. I told you sun is a star, only star in the solar system. And which is the biggest planet? Yeah, it is Jupiter. And which is the smallest planet? Absolutely, it is Mercury. Okay, then our Earth is a unique planet with living things. Okay, do you understand all? So these are the features of the all planets in solar system. So today we discussed about our Earth, features of our Earth, and what is solar system, what is an orbit, and the features of 9 planets in the solar system. Okay, I hope all you are understood well. Thank you.